Hi, everyone. Welcome my Facts with Cody channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 easy ways to make $100 a day online. These are all legitimate methods that you can use to start earning money from home. So, without further ado, here are the 10 easy ways to make $100 a day online. 1. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. This is a great way to make money if you have skills in areas such as customer service, social media management, or website design. 2. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a knack for writing, you can make money by freelance writing or editing. There are many websites that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork and Fiverr. 3. Start a blog or website. If you have a passion for a particular topic, you can start a blog or website and make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. 4. Take online surveys. There are many websites that will pay you to take online surveys. This is a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. 5. Do online transcription work. If you have a good typing speed and accuracy, you can make money by doing online transcription work. There are many websites that connect transcriptionists with clients, such as Rev and TranscribeMe. 5. Become a mystery shopper. Mystery shoppers are people who are paid to shop at stores and restaurants and provide feedback on the customer service they receive. This is a great way to make money if you enjoy shopping and have a keen eye for detail. 7. Teach online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by teaching online courses. There are many platforms that allow you to create and sell your own online courses, such as Udemy and Teachable. 8. Become an affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer promotes other people's products or services and earns a commission when someone makes a purchase through their affiliate link. This is a great way to make money if you have a large following on social media or a blog. 9. Take on freelance graphic design or web development projects. If you have skills in graphic design or web development, you can make money by taking on freelance projects. There are many websites that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork and Fiverr. 10. Rent out your spare room on Airbnb. If you have a spare room in your home, you can make money by renting it out on Airbnb. This is a great way to make some extra money if you live in a popular tourist destination. So, those are 10 easy ways to make $100 a day online. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, be sure to subscribe to my Facts with Cody channel. I'll be sharing more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks again for watching.